How to apply for Costco Anywhere Visa Card online. Hey everybody, if you guys want to apply for the Costco Anywhere Visa Card, you may follow up these steps. The first thing is you must be member of Costco for applying for the Visa card. So what you can do in order to apply it is you can head over to any of the browser, and in the search you can just go ahead and type in citi.com and head over to the browser right here, and it will open up citi.com, the banking website right here. So what you can do is you can just head over to this website right here and look out for the sign in option at the top right corner. Tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you may use your user ID and then password here. After that, tap on sign in and do so. Otherwise, you can look out for this option called register for online access. Tap on it, and you can just go ahead and activate your Citi account online from going ahead for this online access within Citibank, and then set it up. Now, once you set it up, what you can do is you can just head over and go to the credit card section within the Citibank, the citi.com. You can look out for credit card option, and you'll need to provide personal details. So you can head over to credit cards within a city, and you can go over from that section, provide personal information including your Costco membership details, and your credit history will also be checked. You can look out for that section here. And the thing is, you need to have the Costco membership. It is compulsory. You need to, as that Visa card is exclusively only for Costco members. So if you already don't have one, you can just go ahead and sign up for Costco membership online at Costco.com. For that, head over to Costco.com again. And once you are there, you can look out for membership option within Costco and apply for the membership. And you may just head over and provide the financial information about your income and other financial details to access your credit worthiness, and carefully review all the information that you've entered and submit the application. And after submitting, Citibank will review your application and check your credit history, and you will be notified of the decision either online by mail, and that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to apply for Costco Anywhere Visa Card online. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.